In this video, I'll guide you through how to import knowledge base articles to HubSpot. Whether you're migrating from another platform or consolidating your resources, this process will streamline your workflow and ensure all your valuable information is in one place. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to the knowledge base section within HubSpot. To do this, head over to the Service tab on your HubSpot dashboard and click Knowledge Base. This section is where you manage all your articles, and it's the perfect place to start when you're looking to import content from an external source. Next, you'll need to access the import feature. Look for the current view or settings drop-down menu. When you click on it, you'll see an option to import knowledge base. This is the gateway to bringing in all those valuable articles that you've previously housed elsewhere. Selecting this option sets the stage for the next steps. Now, you'll see an option called Smart Copy. This is a handy feature that HubSpot offers to make your import process as seamless as possible. By selecting Smart Copy, you're allowing HubSpot to do some of the heavy lifting for you. It's designed to scan through the homepage of your existing knowledge base and identify all the individual articles linked from that page. This means less manual work for you and a smoother transition overall. Once you've selected Smart Copy, you'll need to enter the URL of your current external knowledge base. This should be the homepage URL, as this is where HubSpot will begin its scan. Think of it as giving HubSpot a map to your content. As you input this URL, make sure it's correct and complete so HubSpot can accurately pull in all the necessary links. This is a crucial step because any errors here could result in missing articles. After you've entered the URL and HubSpot has scanned your page, you'll have the option to review and decide how you want these articles to be imported. You can choose to import them as drafts or publish. I recommend importing them as drafts initially. This approach gives you the chance to review each article's formatting and content in HubSpot before making them live to your audience. It's a great way to ensure quality control and make any necessary adjustments. And there you have it. With these steps, you can easily import your knowledge base articles into HubSpot, allowing you to manage all your content efficiently in one place. This process not only saves time, but also ensures that your knowledge base is organized and ready to support your team and customers effectively. Thanks for watching and happy importing.